Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Ken.
Ken, nice to meet you. Ken, how old are you?
I'm 5.
Hi, very big boy. Right, good job. And where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Great, that's very cool. And how are you today?
I'm good.
Very good job. All right. Are you ready for the test?
Yes.
Yes, all right. That's very good. Now, can you tell me what is this?
This is a.
My
This is my backpack.
backpack. Very good. Now, what is this?
This is my desk.
Very good job. About this one?
This is my rubber.
Yes, great. Boom. All right. What is this?
This is my pencil case.
Pencil case. That's great, Ken. What about this?
This is my crayon.
That's very good. Right now, what have you got?
I got a pen.
Right, very good. What have you got?
I got a notebook.
Yes. Boom. What have you got?
I got a book.
Wow, that's very cool. What have you got?
I got the blue thing.
Yes, that's great.
I got a pencil.
Yes, the last one.
I
What have
got a chair.
Cheer, high five. Boom, very good job. Okay, now goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.